All right, let's talk about another mover that we are seeing. Well, at first we want to promo something. Later on in the show, we're going to be talking a little bit more about SoFi's results here and the boost that they're seeing from student loan repayments. That's at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We hear from Oppenheimer's senior analyst, Dominic Gabriel. All right, let's get to our next mover, and that's Broadcom's $61 billion deal to buy VMware, looking set to close, quote, soon. That's according to the companies. Now, it comes amid concerns that Chinese regulators could delay the transaction. In a statement today, the company is saying that there's, quote, no legal impediment here to closing under U.S. merger regulations. They did not, though, give an update on they did not give an update on their attempt to get approval in China. However, we know China is the big question here going forward, exactly what that looks like here. They didn't say how close they might be to getting any sort of approval there from Chinese regulators. That's the last major hurdle here to closing the deal. They did, though, reiterate maybe some optimistic toning here in this release. We know that the deadline here, it expires on November 26th. So we're certainly coming down to the wire. We've been waiting for some time for this deal to close. So I guess maybe a bit of an optimistic tone that we're hearing from both of those companies.
Yeah, it looks like about 10 different jurisdictions that they have approval from as of right now, and no legal impediments to closing under U.S. merger regulations here. But of course, notably, this is going to bring together two large companies, especially considering how they would be able to move forward in both of the ambitions, whether that be making sure that kind of within the consolidation efforts that they're moving forward with, being able to make sure that the semiconductor and infrastructure software solutions that Broadcom has, plus and you love to hear me say this, the multi-cloud from VMware, those approaches and services that they have, how that all intertwines, kind of bringing together two different portfolio client bases and perhaps being able to cross-sell here. That's going to be significant.